I just. Whoa. What the. Wait, why is my camera so perfective? Never mind. Well, let's go. Which way should we go? Okay, I already completed it. I've already done blue. I've already done black. Okay, let's do pink. This is girly. Okay, so it's just me going down. Oh, whoa, go down. Okay. I can't see. Oh my god! Wait, dude, what just happened? Okay, so pink was a failure. I think those are the hard ones. There's other people here. Okay, jump. This is hard. We already completed all of this. Okay, let's go back. Not back, but like, we did red, purple, white. We didn't do teal because it scammed me. Alright, I trust you, teal, this time. Let's see. Whoa, okay, there's another. Oh, we're going down. Please don't throw me off. I will go inside, okay. Okay, oh, no, don't. Ooh, I don't want it to throw me off. Whoa, we just saw a player. Going. Oh my god, I got a badge. Wait, what's that? My character's in the first person. I don't want to show my character because it's ugly. I'm just kidding. Do we do brown? Blue, green, what? What is this place? Okay. Well, let's just do, okay. Whoa, oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, we didn't make it in the hoops! No! That makes me sad. Oh, let's go back up. Yeah! I want to do ghost. I want to show. Hold up, where is ghost? Where's the ghost one? Where's the ghost one? Okay. Where is the ghost one? Oh my god, I don't want to go in red. Teal. Yellow? When did this appear? I'm going. Okay, I want to go down. I can't see anything. Oh my god, what's going on? Okay. Oh, there's another. Oh, this makes me dizzy. Whoa. Okay, oh my god. Oh, we made it in. Oh my god. Yellow run. And we're bouncing. Where are we? Oh wait, are we in the thingy? What is that? Okay, let's go. Whoa! Oh no! Yeah, we have to go to the run now. I have to go to the run again because I just saw something that I really. What the? Is this okay? That's okay. Never mind. Oh, okay. So we do that. Let's just go up again. No! I went down. I want to go up. Okay. No, not down. Wait, did I? Okay, I did. Okay, so we did over these and we did teal. Let's go up again. We do not do lavender. I do not want to do lavender. Do I? Do I? Let's just do brown. Chocolate. Yummy. Wait. What? Not fair. What is that? Hell no. Oh wait. how I died, but he died. This is the third person. I don't know. Anyway, let's just go back. Hey, let me go in. This isn't. Oh my. Yay! Pink run. Oh my god. That's right. Anyway, hi, purple guy. Purple guy. Oh wait, you can go to the shop and 150. We do not have 100 crap. I want Squirrel. I really want Squirrel, like right now, but I can't get it. Cause I like squares. And I have it. Oh no! Get me up, bro. Okay. Okay, let's go up. We haven't done lavender brown because brown can sit. Maroon, my fifth favorite color. 15th favorite color. Dang. Whoa. Is that why that blue thing is there? That's not maroon though. Whoa! Oh my god, it's a lip-de-lip. Oh my god, it's a lip-de-lip. Oh my god, it's a lip-de-lip. We just did one lip-de-lip. That's not even really that bad. That's not fun. Okay, let's go up. Where? Okay, we did all of these. We'll go up again. We did. What does that? Okay. I wanna go in here. This seems. What is that? I hope it doesn't squish me. Lag. What the? Come. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Okay. Please don't squish me because I'm burst now. Oh my god! What happened to my character? I mean, my ball. The creator did not do good on this because this is an old one. Oh my god. What's happening? What just happened? Okay, let's go. Wow! Okay, bye bye guys. See you later.